To remove all the confusion in your ministry in Jesus'
There are other things that is happening in your life. It's the way God is calling you to go back.
I remember people
With a small salary. They were faithful members in this church. But when they start to receive a growth, this church is not my level anymore. And they left. Beloved, remember the beginning. Remember the beginning. Remember the mother who bathed you. Remember the husband who sweat for you. Remember the lady who refused everybody because of you. Remember the pastor who fasted for you. Remember the one who prays for you. You are no longer